Good morning, everybody. My name is Prathamesh Prakash Patil. I am from second standard. Today is birth anniversary of Pandit Nehru. It is celebrated as a Children's Day to give him a tribute. He was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. His full name was Jawaharlal Motilal Nehru. His father was a lawyer, so he studied law, but he joined the India's freedom struggle, and India got a freedom on 15 August 1947. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He always said that Aram Faram Ahe. He liked children very much. Children call him Chacha Nehru. I salute this great national leader. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Marathwada, Jai Bharat.